Welcome back. Well, finally sorting this wiring out. You can see here I've stripped it right back. Does look like a bit of a mess. It's not really my style, but just want to figure out what I do and don't need, because I want to get rid of this tacho and original speedo. Bought myself a nice little start panel and a good little tacho from eBay, 12,000 RPM unit. So you can see the start panel here. I've set it up so there's the main power, the second one is power to the engine, and then it should start. The tacho doesn't come with an all light, so what I've done is I've used that start button as an all light as well, so once the engine starts you'll see that light goes out, which is great. Here's the tacho, excellent unit from eBay. The only thing is you don't get any instructions, you only get one side of the plug, and there's no wiring diagram. So other than that, great, has everything you need on it. You just need to be patient, have a bit of know-how to figure out how to put it all together. So as you can see here, comes with 3 plugs. There's a 9-pin, a 6-pin, 3 and a 2 I think. So I've just cut them all and slowly worked my way through to figure out what's what. The only one that you don't have to cut is that 3-pin plug. That does actually come, that's the only thing it comes with. There's a little sensor, that's the speed sensor, goes on your front or back wheel, and there's a couple of magnets. But yeah, I think I'm happy with this design. It's a great little thing, but it is a bit annoying given that there's no instructions. So you can see the mess I ended up with trying to get it to work. I've seen lots of people struggle with this. So again, power it up, it does a sweep, and there's some settings you need to set in this thing as well. So to do that, what you do is you turn it off. On the back there's a button, you hold that button in with it turned off, turn it on, hold the button in for about 5 seconds, and it comes up with a series of modes. So this is mode 1. I'm almost certain this mode 1 is the circumference of the wheel. So the first 3 numbers there is in millimeters for the circumference, and the last one is how many pulses or how many magnets you put on the wheel. To change modes, you press the back button again for about 3 or 4 seconds and it will go to mode 2. Mode 2, I've got absolutely no idea what it is. I suspect it's something to do with the fuel sender unit and its resistance, but if you know, please put it in the comments to help others. Mode 3 is how many cylinders your engine has. So the default is 1. It has an option of 2 or 4 cylinders, so heads up, it defaults at 1. Once you click out of 1, you cannot get it back to 1. So if you do have a 1 cylinder, I suggest that you don't mess with mode 3. Mode 4, I have no idea what that is either, or mode 5 you can't seem to change. So anybody knows more than that, that would be great if you could let us know. Just start this up now, let you listen to the engine for a little bit. So it all operated well. The only thing there, it was only running at half the RPM of what it was actually doing, because I still had my mechanical tacho hooked up. I pushed it back to mode 3. I had it on 4 cylinder because I'm pretty sure I had 4 cylinders when I built this engine, but who knows why. I've changed it to 2 and it seems to fix the problem. So I'll let you listen to the engine again after this, but I put it to 2, tried everything again. I compared it against the tacho and everything's great. It's just the fuel sensor flashes, so what I'll do is probably hook up a resistor just to give me a false reading. So anyway, stay tuned, I'll tidy this up soon and we'll keep progressing.